Now the problem is fudge, dude. Di man siya sama sa kuan good. Siya sama sa C or Java or unsa pa na.
Mangita ta sa kuan documentation instructions.
Okay. Sige, let's try that. Which do you have a TikTok assignment, Josh?
No.
I'll just do like the
Si
whip
Ma-
and nay nay while
Mm.
speaking.
Is that for microproc?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Create a 2-minute video of yourself explaining the challenges and difficulties as well as the benefits of assembly. Benefits! Benefits!
Hi, I'm Mohan Francis.
Oh my goodness.
I can see it already, dude. Holy shit.
Dude, I'm gonna clip that. I'm gonna include that in my video. Out of 10.
Oh my god, that's so good, bro.
Huh. Interesting. So there are advantages. Like, actually reasonable advantages. It allows complex jobs to run in a simpler way. It is memory efficient. It is faster in speed. It is mainly hardware oriented. That's actually pretty good for, I think, robotics. Yeah. And it requires less instructions to get the result. It is used for critical jobs. Critical jobs. Interesting. Critical jobs. I can only imagine the possibilities.